What are my top tips for reading comp questions?
Essentially practice. Practice reading comprehension consistently.
Crack open the official guide, start with the first passage and just do one passage a night, maybe even 2 passages a night. But it just kind of takes that high volume of reading comp practice to actually start learning, the patterns in the answer choices. What traps are the GMAT writers likely to put in some of the wrong answers?
So on one hand, we've got like main idea or primary purpose questions, kind of what is the passage about overall. We've got specific detail questions. Those typically look like according to the passage, which of the following is true, or the author states which of the following. And then we have inference questions. So we want to know how to tackle each of these 3 questions. So identifying the type of question you're tackling is really important.
So to me, it's more a case of when you're going through a passage, what you want to do is you want to be looking that you understand the structure of the passage and the purpose of the passage.
Reading widely, building kind of your knowledge of various content domains. Often I'll tell students to go on Wikipedia and just follow wherever the link trail will lead you.
When students look at reading comprehension, I think a lot of people think of it as a subjective question type, but I want you to think about it as an objective question type. There's 1 right answer and 4 wrong answers, just like everywhere else that you find on the GMAT.
And it seems like in verbal, the answer choices aren't as objectively correct. It's like, which of the following best supports, or things like that.
I stole this one from one of our teachers in New York who told me, Ryan, on the GMAT, nobody is interested in your opinion. They're just interested in what's in the text.
So if you find yourself, having a hard time articulating why you think one of the answer choices is right, it's probably not the answer choice, right? Because whoever's going to be writing that has to make it very clear, using just the passage as the justification.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you happen to have a question, feel free to leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching.